Hi, today we're talking about campaign budget forecast versus actual expense tracker. So as you can see, we can track all the campaign related expenses in this particular template. So underneath we have a database where we can specify the campaign details, the client details, the channel used, the forecasted budgeted amount, the actual spend and the variance. So all these things that you see in this database can be customizable as per your requirements. If you wish to add more fields or more columns, you can definitely do that. But this is just a sample placeholder text element which has been created for a use case. Corresponding to this database, we have a summary on the top. We have three sections which we have added over here. First is the over budget campaigns. So if any campaign has a variance of greater than zero, then that will be showed under the over budget campaigns. Okay, you can obviously choose to have a different filter. Let's say I want to filter not by the variance value, so I'll just delete this filter and I'll add a new filter. So what I want to do is if the actual spend is greater than, let's say, maybe 3000. Okay, so if the actual spend is greater than 3000, I want to put it under over budget. So if I specify 3000, you can see it is automatically filtering the value as per this. So you can obviously play around with all these filtrations that is available. And similarly, for the under budget campaigns, what we have done is if the variance is less than zero, which is the case, and then it is under budget. Okay, so obviously you can change it to variance greater than zero. This will be variance less than zero. So let me put it back to variance greater than zero. So we'll go with filter, we will go with variance, and then we will select greater than, and then we will select 0 from here. Okay, so we have specified over budget and under budget. Finally, we have the client comparison. So this shows the different campaigns which were created as per different clients. Okay, so if you see, we have got three clients: Acme, Brightly and Omnia, and we are seeing the three clients over here. For every client we can see the campaigns that have been created by their specific for them for the specific use cases. So we have grouped this as per the different client name. You can use a different grouping if you want. You can group even by the campaign name, so you can create another view for campaigns and you can group it like that. Okay, but this is a sample template which has been created for use case. Besides this, I also like to talk about PDF output. PDF output is a tool which can help you generate PDF documents in bulk. For this, it utilizes a Notion database which helps you generate the documents. So if you go to the PDF output, you can see we have two options. So let me click on create PDF, single PDF and multiple PDF. Under single PDF, you can generate a single PDF document utilizing a Notion page. Under multiple PDF, you can generate more than one document, so bulk PDFs utilizing a Notion database. You can watch the video which has been added underneath each of the sections and you can understand more about the process. If you have any questions or any queries, I am available at notionformyuse@gmail.com, or you can use the button at the bottom and you can send me a message with whatever queries you are having. I hope this video helps you out with every way possible. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.